Okay, I'm going to show you a few tricks here about how to do your Google Sheets in case you guys need it. When you're making a data table in Google Sheets, it's really important to put your data in columns. So for this example, I'm going to use fictitious data, 3 seconds, 5 seconds, 4.2 seconds, 8, let's say 90 seconds, okay? And then how far did my car go? My car went, let's see, 2 meters. My car went 3 meters. My car went 2.5 meters. And my car went 10 meters in this really amazing run at the very end, okay? Now, let me show you a problem that I just created because I put letters in here. I was trying to be clear and put units, but here's the problem. If I want to add it, if I want to add this data here, I can select these cells and add it now, but it doesn't know how to handle it because of all of these letters. The spreadsheet can only do math with cells that have numbers in them. Decimals are fine, letters are not fine. So I'm going to replace this with a 2, a 3, a 2.5, and a 10. And now look what happens. Now I get a really nice total down here in the bottom. I now have a total of 17.5. Okay, and just for clarity, I'm going to move that down here. Okay, so in other words, you have to put into your cells only numbers and no data. But Jay wants me to have units, so what am I supposed to do? Units should go in the header. So in this column, for example, I'm measuring distance. That's the dimension that I'm measuring, and what units am I using? I'm using meters or whatever you're using, okay? So now I have units here, and I have a dimension and the things that I'm working with underneath. And then on the left-hand side, same problem. I have to get the units out of there. So I'm going to put time up here. I'm going to measure time in seconds. Then I just need a 3 here, not the S. I just need a 5 here, not the S. I just need a 4.2 here, not the S. And I just need a 90 here, not the S. Okay? This also looks a little weird, so let me just get it all centered. I'm going to go over here and center everything. There we go. Now we have our basic worksheet completed.